All right, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Xiaomi Tech. Today we're tackling a crucial topic for Xiaomi Poco X5 owners: LCD replacement. Accidents happen, and a cracked or malfunctioning screen can seriously hamper your smartphone experience. So, let's delve into why having access to a Poco X5 LCD replacement is essential. Why an LCD replacement is a must-have for your Poco X5. The Xiaomi Poco X5, with its vibrant display and powerful features, is a great device. But even the best phones are vulnerable to accidental damage. Here's why an LCD replacement should be on your radar. The inevitable crack. We've all been there. A slip of the hand, a crowded commute, and suddenly your beautiful Poco X5 screen is sporting a spiderweb of cracks. These cracks aren't just unsightly, they can worsen over time, potentially leading to further damage and impacting the touch sensitivity of your device. Functionality issues. Beyond cracks, your LCD can suffer from other issues. Perhaps you're experiencing dead pixels, flickering, discoloration, or even a completely black screen. These issues can make your phone virtually unusable, rendering your investment useless. Cost-effective solution. Replacing the entire phone due to a damaged screen is a costly endeavor. An LCD replacement offers a much more affordable alternative. Instead of shelling out hundreds for a new device, you can restore your Poco X5 to its former glory at a fraction of the price. DIY repair versus professional service. Depending on your technical skills and comfort level, you have two options: DIY repair or professional service. DIY repair can save you money, but it requires specialized tools and a steady hand. Professional repair guarantees expertise and peace of mind, though it will incur labor costs. Understanding LCD technology and compatibility. Before diving into replacement options, let's briefly touch on LCD technology. The Poco X5 likely utilizes an AMOLED or IPS LCD display. AMOLED versus IPS LCD. AMOLED displays offer vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. IPS LCDs provide accurate color reproduction and wider viewing angles. Understanding the type of display your Poco X5 has is crucial for selecting the correct replacement. Ensuring compatibility. Not all LCD screens are created equal. When purchasing a replacement, ensure it's specifically designed for the Xiaomi Poco X5. Check the model number and specifications to guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. Sourcing your Poco X5 LCD replacement. Now, where do you find a reliable LCD replacement? Here are a few options. Authorized service centers. Xiaomi's authorized service centers are a safe bet for genuine replacement parts and expert service. However, they may be the most expensive option. Online retailers, e.g., Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. These platforms offer a wide range of LCD replacements from various vendors. Be sure to read reviews and check the seller's reputation before making a purchase. Specialized repair shops. Many independent repair shops specialize in smartphone repairs and offer LCD replacement services. Get quotes from multiple shops and compare their prices and warranties. Important considerations for DIY repair. Dust and debris. Keep your workspace clean to prevent dust and debris from getting inside the phone. Warranty voiding. DIY repair may void your phone's warranty. Professional LCD replacement. What to expect? If DIY repair seems too daunting, professional service is the way to go. Here's what you can expect. Diagnosis. The repair technician will diagnose the extent of the damage and determine if an LCD replacement is the correct solution. Part sourcing. The technician will source a compatible LCD replacement for your Poco X5. Expert repair. The technician will perform the LCD replacement with specialized tools and expertise. Testing and quality control. The technician will thoroughly test the new LCD to ensure it's functioning properly. Warranty. Most repair shops offer a warranty on their labor and parts. Conclusion. A damaged LCD screen can significantly impact your smartphone experience. Having access to a Xiaomi Poco X5 LCD replacement is crucial for restoring your device to its former glory. Whether you choose the DIY route or opt for professional service, understanding the process and sourcing a reliable replacement part are key to a successful repair. Remember to weigh the pros and cons of each approach and choose the option that best suits your skills, budget, and comfort level. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials from Xiaomi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates.